Welcome back, everyone. My name is Joel Feld, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed and have commented on videos, thank you so much. It means a lot that I'm able to help maybe solve some problems or teach a few things to all of you out there in the whole world. So recently just got over 500 subscribers, which, you know, to others may not be a big deal, but you know, that's really cool to me, and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. I am creating more content. As you can see in the back, no longer at the studio. I actually sold my house, moved in with my fiance, and set up shop temporarily. And it's been a little crazy, and I think we can all relate. 2020 has been a roller coaster of ups and downs, and I just want to say thank you though for watching, for commenting, for providing the awesome feedback that you guys have. Keep the questions coming. If you have videos that you want to see, I know I got a lot of questions for Big Sur and photo related items, so those are coming. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you next time.